Hey guys, Johnny from On the Come Up Trading. Hope everybody had a good day today, made some money. We're going to be going over the top watches for October 26th. We'll be looking at AMD, SPY, Square, and Tesla. These are the four I'll be watching tomorrow for key breaks above support and resistance zone to scalp options contracts. As a disclaimer, anything you see here or hear here is not financial advice. Stream is intended for entertainment and informational purposes only. On the Come Up Trading will not be held liable for any actions you take as a result of something you saw or heard here. And with that, let's get going. First, we're going to start off with AMD. So for AMD, we're going to be looking for a break above the 123.50 area in this zone. If it breaks above that area, we'll be looking at the 124 calls, expiration of Friday, October 29th. All targets will be psychological because we will be at all-time highs. We'll be looking at 124, 124.50, and 125, and so on and so forth. Anything under 121.85 in this zone right here, we will be looking at the 121 puts expiration of Friday, October 29th. Targets will be 119.30 will be our first target. 118.45 will be our second target. And our third target will be 117.90. If we break below the 117.90, our next targets will be around the 116.85 area in here and the 116.10 area here. Second on the list, we've got SPY. SPY ran to all-time highs today. It was an absolute monster. And we've been waiting for the market to turn bullish again, and hopefully we continue with this bull run. So if we get a break above the 456.10 area here, we'll be looking at the 457 calls, expiration of a Wednesday, October 27th. We'll be looking at the shorter time frame expiration because they tend to yield faster and better percentage gains. All targets to the upside will be psychological. We'll be looking at 456.50, 457, 457.50. Under 454.75 to the downside, we'll be looking at 454 puts with expiration of Wednesday, October 27th, with targets of 453.60 in this zone here, 452.50, and our last target will be 451. Gonna move over to Square. So for Square, if we break above the 263 area in here, we will be looking at the 265 calls. First target we'll be looking for is the 265.40 area. So right in here. Second target will be 268.50, which will be in this zone. And your third target will be 270.44, which will be over into this zone. Now if we break to the downside below 258.20, which is this support zone here, we'll be looking at the 257.50 puts expiration of Friday, October 29th. First target being 255.90, which will be right in here. Second target will be 254. Third target will be 251.60, which will be here. And if we break below 251.60, look for your next target to be in the 247.65 range, and then to the 245.18 range. And last but not least, we have the absolute beast of the day, Tesla. Ran all the way from the previous close on Friday of about $910 to $1,045, was up about 13% roughly today. This was a huge move for Tesla, making a new milestone, breaking over 1,000. So with Tesla, for the upside, we're going to wait on two triggers. So the first trigger is we want to break above the $1,033.15. And then before I decide to enter this position, I'm going to wait for a second confirmation break above 1,045. If it breaks above 1,045, I'll be going for the $1,100 calls expiration of Friday, October 29th. All targets will be psychological. I'm going to give a $10 range on each target because the range today was just phenomenally huge, and giving dollar amounts just doesn't do Tesla justice. So the psychological targets we'll be looking at would be 1,050, 1,060, 1,070, and so on. If we break below $1,014.25 in here, we'll be looking at the $1,000 puts of expiration Friday, October 29th, with your first target being in the 998.59 zone, second target being in 987.25, third target being in 979.65, and fourth target 959.40. And I'll give one more target, which will be 943.78. So we'd like to see the bull momentum continue tomorrow with AMD, SPY, Tesla. I'll have those on heavy watch. If you guys like what you saw here, please subscribe and hit the like button. Hope everybody has a good night and is green tomorrow. Thank you.